In this video, I will give you 5 reasons why the Drip network is the best staking platform ever, and why you should get in Drip right now if you want to earn free crypto money every day on autopilot. As you may already know, I am a true believer when it comes to Drip. I upload Drip videos on YouTube, I talk about Drip on Twitter, Facebook and in my Telegram groups. I shill Drip everywhere I can, and I even set up my own Drip team where I give away free Drip to my team members. So why am I so positive about Drip? Isn't Drip just another crypto scam or pyramid system that will steal your money and leave you behind with nothing? Well, the answer is no. Believe me. Drip is nothing like that. I will give you 5 reasons why I believe in Drip, but before I sum up the benefits, let me show you one of my own Drip accounts. I have several accounts, because I really believe in Drip, and I want to maximize my profits. In this account I have 260 Drip. At 1% per day, it's making me 2.6 Drip or around $140 daily, depending on the market price. I already compounded earlier today, so not all the earned Drip is showing here. This is passive income that I don't have to do anything for. I just compound my 1% Drip once per day to add it to my total deposit, and that's it. It's awesome. And if you join my Dripaholics team, you can get a share of my profits. Every Sunday I do an airdrop and distribute the daily Drip tokens that I earned with my team members. If you want to get in my team, and receive my airdrops, you can find the link to my Drip team below in the description box. The minimum to invest is 1 Drip, and you need to compound daily to grow your balance. Drip is giving me life-changing extra income, and it can do this for you too if you get in. Okay. Now let me tell you why Drip is so incredible. Reason 1. Drip is bullish. Drip is currently priced at $65, which is 3 times as much as a month ago, so the least we can say is that Drip is alive and kicking. The token hit an all-time high recently at $90, and that's why I see Drip go to $100 pretty soon, and much more if more people discover the tokenomics and get involved in the platform. No doubt about it. Reason number 2. You can refer people and earn a 10% commission on their initial deposits and also when they compound or hydrate. This is a great way to grow your Drip. You must have some BREEP tokens in the same Metamask wallet that you use for Drip to get paid. These BREEP tokens can be bought on PancakeSwap. Click here to buy BREEP tokens. Continue to the PancakeSwap site by clicking the checkbox, and buy your BREEP tokens here. Leave the BREEP in your wallet to receive your referral commissions. Commissions are sent right into your Drip deposits, and not to your Metamask wallet. The more BREEP you buy, the deeper the level you will earn from. But if you are new, then 3 BREEP is a good amount to begin. When you have the BREEP tokens, you can spread your Drip link around to friends or family and have them sign up under you with your buddy address. You can promote your Drip referral link via Facebook groups or other social media accounts that you are on. Another great option is that you can do airdrops to the people under you. You can set up your own airdrop requirements. You can do an airdrop to people who invested at least 1 or 5 or 10 Drip, or to those who have referred people under them, whatever you choose. I personally claim my daily interest every Sunday, and use that Drip for doing my airdrops. Airdrops are a great way to incentivize and reward players under you to get in Drip with your buddy link. And when they compound or hydrate, you get a share of their rewards and at the same time contribute to make Drip bigger. I can give you a free ebook in PDF format that includes your Drip referral link. If you spread this book around, you will explain to people how to get involved in Drip, and they will get your buddy link to join. Download my free ebook from the description box below. Or get in my Dripaholics Telegram group to find out how to get started. Reason number 3. The Drip network is fairly new, and has a lot of growing potential. More and more influencers and YouTubers are promoting Drip, so the attention is widening, which will have a positive impact on the price. Drip is running its own ecosystem. It's operating independently from all the other dApps. It does not care about the Bitcoin or Ethereum price, and even in a bear market when all the major crypto tokens are in red, Drip is doing absolutely great. The tokenomics of Drip are unseen. Reason number 4. The Drip smart contract was created to make everyone who participates in Drip wealthy, no matter when you get in. Drip is not like other miners or farmers where early investors get out the most money, or where sharks with tons of money can suck out the contract in a few days. The Drip contract has a built-in protection so this can't happen. Nobody is able to rug the contract, or change the code, not even the developer, and there is no benefit to getting in Drip early as far as how the team building structure goes. Any time is a good time to join Drip. Reason number 5. Drip is not a pyramid or Ponzi scheme. Pyramid schemes are systems where players in the higher levels of the system get a larger commission and the majority of the profits are funneled to a few at the top. This is usually hidden behind the sale of a low-quality product or service that produces almost no profit in itself. Drip stops every 15 levels, allowing each player to be at the top of their own team. This means that players who enter the system later can make just as much or more than the initial wallets who entered the project earlier. This is the opposite of a pyramid scheme. Drip is a DeFi project that benefits people for onboarding capital in a fair and ingenious way. These are the 5 major reasons to join Drip today. If you're not in Drip already, you are losing out a lot of money. Check the description box below to sign up for Drip, with my buddy address. Or download my free Drip ebook guide, and see how to use Drip step by step explained. Okay, that's it for now. I hope you got a better understanding of Drip and the beautiful things it can do for you. Remember that I am not a financial advisor. This is my personal opinion. Nothing is guaranteed in crypto, and you are the only one who is responsible for your actions. Always do your own research before you invest in anything, and never use money that you can't afford to lose. If you like this information, please join my Telegram channel where I share all the newest crypto tips and dapps first, before I post them here on YouTube. The Telegram link is below. Or subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get my latest videos first. Have a wonderful day.